Today we're driving the all-new BYD Sealion 5 DMI. It's raining here in Cebu, which gives us a chance to see how this hybrid crossover handles real-world weather and imperfect roads.
So seatbelt lang ka first for safety.
Stepping inside the Sealion 5, the cabin feels clean and well put together. Materials are soft and where they need to be, and the layout is simple but functional. You get a wireless charger in the center console, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. It all works smoothly and connects quickly. Overall, it doesn't try too hard, but it's refined. The kind of interior that just makes sense once you're in it. It's a notable step above what you'd find in similarly priced offerings from legacy brands like Toyota or Nissan. Even with the rain falling outside, the cabin feels insulated. BYD has done a really good job with NVH here. Tire noise is minimal, wind noise is controlled, and I genuinely feel secure inside the car. Going through shallow flooding now, and the car handles it without issue. The Sea Lion 5 rides slightly higher than expected. I initially thought this would be about the same size as something like a Corolla Cross. But in person, it feels a bit larger and taller. Definitely more presence on the road. Steering feel is light but consistent. The chassis feels composed, and the ride over bumps is comfortable. It's not too floaty as some BYD models may come across. The Sea Lion 5 uses BYD's DMI hybrid system. Unlike regular hybrids from legacy brands here in the Philippines, this is a plug-in hybrid. You can charge it from a wall box or even a standard outlet, and on a full charge, it can purely run on electric power for short to medium trips, around 80 to 100 kilometers in real-world driving. For many daily commutes, that means you could drive the whole day without using fuel at all. And when the battery runs low, the gasoline engine steps in seamlessly, working with the electric motor so you never have to worry about running out of range. Most of the time, the electric motor does the heavy lifting, so you get quiet, smooth acceleration and very low fuel consumption. It's not designed to be sporty, but it responds well. You can drive it calmly and efficiently, and it feels capable when you need a bit more from the throttle. Driving in weather like this can sometimes highlight a car's weak points, but here, the Sea Lion 5 feels confident. You're insulated from the elements, and personally, the car communicates enough road feel without being intrusive. It really gives me that sense of ease, especially when visibility is low and roads are slick, which really comes in handy noting the lack of driver assists. This is the more streamlined version of the Sea Lion 6, and it comes in at a significantly lower price. To get there, BYD went with a smaller 10-inch infotainment screen, manual seat adjustments, and a manual tailgate. You don't get a 360-degree camera like in other BYD models. Instead, it comes with a rear parking camera with dynamic guidelines and back sensors. There are no sensors in the front, so you'll need to be a bit more cautious in tight spaces. But the interesting thing is, none of that really detracts from the overall experience.
Labi na basta gabi sir nga kung ang magamit sa akong cellphone akong junakis. Diya'y manawag nga ipang-cancel. O pag nakaw na ko nagmata pa. Aw mo pa'y pagkatog. Night shift tagada. Pero imuhang kuan, imuhang aside sa imong mga parents.
At this price, the Sea Lion 5 DMI offers one of the best value propositions in the segment. BYD has found a way to offer hybrid tech, cabin refinement, and smart design at a level that's hard to match right now, especially from brands still using aging platforms and designs. That was our quick drive in the BYD Sealion 5 DMI. If you're looking for a hybrid crossover that's refined, well built, and doesn't feel like a compromise, this might be worth checking out. Thanks for spending some time with me on the road today. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more drives like this, subscribing really helps the channel grow. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one.
Okay. Pwede na ito na rin, sir.
Pwede na.
Agad guru ko.